My name is Jason Hall. I'm the president and owner of Hall Public Safety in Ohio. Started this business as a hobby in my garage at my house. I was a police officer for 25 years, a firefighter, EMT for 25 years, so my whole life was this. And I enjoyed installing lights in my own vehicle for the fire department. Our police chief came to me in the earlier to mid-90s and said, hey, can you put lights in our new cruiser? And I thought, well, this can't be that difficult. So I put some lights in a new cruiser for Marlboro Police, where I was born and raised, in a little town, and I still live there. And a neighboring department heard about me. They said, there's some hillbilly over in Marlboro that can put lights in in your police car if you want to try to use them. And they had me come over, and I put lights in their car. And then the word kind of spread from there. So I was doing it part-time just as a hobby, enjoyed doing it. And now I have 32-year customers now, which is crazy. I mean, a lot of it's word of mouth. We don't advertise, we don't go out looking for business. You know, they always say if you do something good, they tell 3 people. You do something bad, they tell 12. I'm not the easiest guy to work for. You ask my guys, because I'm very particular. The placement of things has to be right. You know, we solder everything. I thought that's how everybody did it back 30 years ago. And to this day, we still solder everything. We don't butt connect. 2 most important things in a car is a cup holder and armrest. And I know that because I was a cop for 25 years, and it's important stuff. But having it done exactly how they want it right then at their department. So we specialize in doing mobile installs. You know, there's just the quality in our service. The after the sales service, you know. When you call our office, we don't have an automated system. It's a live person picking up the phone and answering you, taking care of anything you would need. The quality is what sets us apart, which also is the reason that we use TigerTough seat covers. You know, is the quality of the material, the quality of what they provide, what they sell. I've been working with TigerTough for 10 years now, since they pretty much started the law enforcement part. And we've been with them as a partner for many years. And the customer service end of it is a lot like ours, aligned with us, and the quality is a lot aligned with our business. So that's one of the reasons, or the reasons, that we use the product, and it works well, and our customers love it. Before this, we'd have, seats just destroyed. The way the seat covers work on our cruisers, or the department's cruisers, saves so much in replacement seats and damage and what have you. So that's the reason that we use TigerTough.